Hi everybody, it's Cindy. It's time for the big reveal. What are we making in the May Junk Journal class over on Patreon? You guys had great guesses and you were pretty close, but we are making Polaroids with the transparency paper. And some of you said specimen cards, and that's a good guess. Because I guess if we use this digital that I'm supplying you with, that kind of looks like a specimen card. So since you were all so close, I'm just going to go ahead and give everybody a surprise in their May subscription kit. There are still a couple of kits left, and if you can't, it's only $20 for the kit, free shipping, and the live class. And if you can't make it on the 29th, then the video is recorded for those who have purchased the May subscription. So the kits are going out today. There's lots of goodies and a couple of surprises in here. I can't wait to see you on the 29th. Thank you for all your great guesses, and I'll see you soon.